Hi, we are glad that you reached here. Till now, you have selected your favorite design, filled basic details of the marriage, and here you can see a preset template based on the details you mentioned. Now, quickly, we'll see how you can easily customize this card for your own wedding. So let's start with this big red button, edit this page. It's going to help you to edit each and every text on top of your card. So let's try it out. So this is the editing screen. Here you can move the text, change size of it, color and font. Even if you wish, you can add new text as well. So let's start with the basic tutorial. When you are going to click on any text, it's going to get selected and these 5 options are going to appear. Let's talk about them one by one. Let's start with the size thing. When you are going to click on this size button, a seek bar is going to open. When you are going to move this seek bar towards the right, it's going to increase the size, and when left it's going to reduce, so you can decrease the size. You can also move the text up, down, left and right according to your choice. For moving the text, you can also long press on the text and you can move it easily. The second option is the font option. When you are going to click on the font, multiple fonts are going to open, but remember one thing, the above two are the default fonts, these two, and there are more fonts which are given for your convenience. Now let's go on the third option, which is edit. This is going to open the keyboard and I can edit this. Instead of wedding invitation, I will write wedding invite, and that's it. I can place it in the center. Now I can even change the color. So here are the default colors which are shown to me. I can also press on this icon and a color dropper is going to open. So from here I can select any color. Say for example I want to select purple. I know it won't go with the theme, but let's select this dark purple and set OK. So here you can see the color is changed. Even if you want to go for more advanced color, you can press on this color picker, then on the custom button, and here you can select any color of your own choice. It's completely your choice, and here the color is changed, as you can see. Now the last option is the delete button. If you don't want this text, you can eventually delete it. So everything is gone. Now say for example, if you want to add a new text, there is a add text button. If you can see that yes, the add text came, and now you can eventually change the color for it. Say for example I change this color. Now I can even write something like, say for example, new arrival design, new arrivals, and say for example like I want to change the font. So the default fonts is this is the default font. I chose this one. Even if I want, I can change the font, I can change the size of it, I can even move it left or right with the help of these arrow keys. I think if that's done, press done. Now you can see I edited the first page. Similarly, you can edit the page 2 and 3 as well. Like say for example page 3, just press the button below, edit this page 1, this button L card. Now say for example, if you want to add a new card, just press this button below which says add new page and just press this. Here it's going to show you two options, whether you want to add the front page or the inside page. Say for example I want to insert the inside page. I added the inside page. Now if I want to add any text here, like say for example let's press edit this page. Now there is no text, so I have to add a new text. So let's press add text, and here is the text. I can edit it by pressing this edit button. Just press this edit button. Now I have the cursor. Let's write wedding here. Let's change color for it. Let's change the color. Here are the default colors which are already given. So I change the color. I can change the fonts. I can even change the size of it. I can press it and I can move it. And when I think it's done, I can add more text if I require. And when I am done, I can press done. And here you can see this page is ready. And when you are completely done, you can just share this from this button. That's all.